So now let's see how we can work with the presenter view inside of Google Slides. So over here, in order to present with the presenter view, what I can do is I can go over here on the present area and then click on this little triangle icon. And then I can click on presenter view. So once I do that, another window pops up right here. So what I can do is I can simply drag it onto the other monitor. Let's say, for example, in the projector, I can just drag it out right here so that I just have this to work with. So now let's say I already dragged this onto the presentation monitor that is on my projector. What I can do is I can go over here and then see the timing. I can go around, navigate on the slide, and you can see what happens if the presenter view changes as well. So I can go around onto previous or next by clicking on these buttons right here, and I can see a little preview right here on what the audience is seeing, but I can also see what slide was previous and next on my particular view right here. Over here, you can see that I can see my particular comment for that slide. So whenever I'm presenting, I can look at this as a reference and then talk about it as well. So I can go back, and here I'm supposed to say, hey, welcome to TutorTube, lessons at your convenience. You can enlarge and decrease the size of the text as well. You can pause around the timing or resume the timing or reset the timing all about like that as well. So over here, this is the speaker notes, and the other tools are audience tools. So this is something we're going to see in upcoming lesson, that is for question and answer. And this makes it a lot more easier. So you know like which slide is coming up next, and which slide you can directly access the end slide. Just like this, you can directly access the front slide. So it makes a lot more easier to present it to audience by using this view. And that is the presenter view available inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.